Welcome back to Sunny Channel. With so many companies out there producing home elevators, what sets Sunny Elevators apart for your business? First, thanks to its machine room-less and pitless design, it takes up minimal space and can be installed quickly without the need for extensive construction modifications. Now, let's talk about cost efficiency. Unlike traditional elevators that continuously consume power, our Sunny Home Elevator only uses energy when ascending, and it descends using gravity. This clever design not only saves on energy bills but also operational costs. Plus, it runs on single-phase power, which means you won't have to deal with complicated electrical upgrades. Here's another major advantage. Our modular design makes installation incredibly simple. No need for additional walls or supports means faster setups and lower labor costs. That translates to quicker project delivery and improved ROI for your company. Definitely a win-win. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive into the smooth ride quality and modern aesthetic of the Sunny Home Elevator. Don't forget to subscribe.